This video will show you how to enter weanings. All we do is click on the weaning icon or go through the Sows and Balls menu and choose weaning. So the screen comes up with the animal number. We've chosen to have litter number showing. We've got the event date, the number weaned, and then the weight, transferred piglets, which is fostering on and on or off, and whether the animal goes on to be a nursing sow. So all we do, we just type in the number 146. We're going to wean her on the 1st of the 1st. The number weaned was 10. With the weight, you've got the option of either putting in the average or the total. We're going to put in 7, for example, and you can see 70 is entered automatically. The one you entered in physically yourself goes in black, and the one that is calculated is in blue. If you wanted to put in either fosterings on or off, you could put -2 or +2 into there. You could also use the piglet transfer option in the sows menu if you wanted to date the event of the foster. If you want to hold this animal back for to give her another litter, then you just put a tick in her nursing sow box. You can transfer some piglets onto her, let's say 10 more onto her, and you'll be able to wean her again the following week, and the program will handle that for you. So there we go. Just take the tick out of there, and we'll just remove that for now. What you're also able to do with the filter line, again, you can use it to look for a particular date or between two dates just by right clicking and choosing between or any of the options there. The other option you can use it where there's a weight field is, let's say all these were filled out and you wanted to make sure that you had put a weaning weight in for every single weaning. If you just search for 0, so just type in 0 into that average kilo box there, or even the total, and it'll look for every entry where there's a 0 where you haven't entered a weight, and it's a quick way of keeping up to date with things. Other options, you can click into the layout setup, click on edit global, and then choose the columns you want to see on screen. Completely up to you what you choose. You can see we've got the litter number, which is that column there showing, just so that you can see the parity of the animal as you're putting the information in. You can see we've got our weight figures there. If you want to put the total weight in and put that in, you want it as the first column, you can just click on it and move it up, and you'll see it's up further up in the line, and it'll basically put it in front of average there. If you want to move the piglets once they're weaned into the finishing herd, let's say, and you want to do it from this screen rather than go to the transfer screen, you can just click on the to location. You can see code is chosen there, click on OK, and then when you're putting in information, you can just put in that you're going to transfer them to F, and those animals will go into F. If you want to do it in one swoop, you can just drag down, right click, choose set cells, and then you can just choose F, and you can see F is automatically put into all of the boxes there for you. And that's how to enter a weaning.